This week is National Physicians Week, and doctors are being recognized for the challenging work they perform, helping to save lives.
Yeah, new this morning, reporter Cameron Brewer joins us in the studio as he spoke to two physicians about their medical experiences. Good morning, Cameron. How was your doctor's visit?
Good morning, Josh and Alicia. Well, my doctor's visit included learning the backstory of a veteran doctor and a new doctor in their respective specialties. One works in critical care while the other works with kids. Both doctors have worked in and out of the states and have a unique story on how they got their calling in the medical field.
Dr. Anthony Tello didn't always have plans to become a doctor.
So initially I was going to go into become like a person who works in national parks, etc., just to do something different. But I realized that wasn't my calling, so I went into medicine.
Tello has 33 years of experience practicing medicine and isn't the only one in his family doing so.
I come from a family of 10 siblings, and of the 10, 9 are in medicine.
Dr. Evan Rogler has 4 years of experience as a pediatrician and also comes from a big family. His interest in the medical field comes from frequent doctor visits as a child.
I quickly learned that that was a person that my mom respected, a person that my mom trusted, and someone that we too could go to when we needed help.
Help that inspired him to be a superhero to children by restoring them back to full health.
And so that's what gets me out of bed every day. I want to be here to help them, to answer their questions, and just be available.
Both Tello and Rogler agree that how they interact with their patients is very important.
I think holding a patient's hand is more important than many of the medications that we prescribe. Because when you do that, these patients understand that you are concerned and you want to help them.
It does take a team of very smart people, myself, specialists, physical therapists, nurses, a lot of different people to make the experience the best that it can be.
Tello and Rogler don't always know the outcome of patients after they leave their office, but when they get a surprise visit, it leaves them speechless.
When you have these patients come back to the intensive care unit to thank the team of healthcare workers, that makes this whole job incredibly good.
Which is why giving thanks is the most painless part of the visit.
Yeah, I remember at the end of her hospital stay, she drew me a picture. It was actually a picture of a superhero in a cape with these big, huge muscles. And it said Dr. Evan across the chest. And I thought, that's why I'm here.
Wow.
Yeah.
Sounds like two amazing doctors there that you got to visit with, Cameron.
Oh yeah, definitely, and just especially hearing the story, and also, it's not always pleasant going to the doctor's office, and so I was told that they have to be very comforting, especially when they have to deliver bad news.
That's for sure. Yeah, especially you have a little guy like mine. He's at the doctor's office frequently, and he may not be able to speak, but he knows when we're going to a doctor's office. So when you have personable doctors like that, it just really makes all the difference when that, like you said, holding their hand, maybe more figuratively, but it's just so important, and you can tell that they have a passion for what they do.
Yeah.
Totally agree.
Thank you for shedding light and bring us into their world for a little bit, Cameron.